banana boat. For safety, you should have adult supervision. So, you need one battery, 2 bamboo sticks, wings, and a motor, and foam, and hot glue gun, and 2 empty water bottles. Okay. Now we have to drill 4 holes. Then you have to insert the bamboo sticks inside the water bottle. Then seal it with hot glue. We keep the foam on the bamboo sticks. Let's attach it later. Okay. We put the battery in the front and the motor in the back so that it balances. Okay. The motor will act like a propeller. Okay. And when the wires touches, oops, it starts spinning. Let's try it in the water. Okay. So it starts spinning and it goes. Oops, oops. Hi guys, this is the water banana boat. Subscribe to my videos, click the bell and hit my like button.